What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle sneaker related stuff, and today is Nike outlet day. We're gonna check it out. What do they have on the store? Hopefully we can find something really good. So let's go. Outfit for today is the Jordan 1 Mochas. Alright, here we are on the Nike outlet. We got a good ones down here. Pick of the week, Nike Revolution 5. Nice traction. Not bad for running shoes. $9.97 on the clothings. Let's see. $9.97 on this Nike United States Olympic tees. Plain t-shirt. Team USA. Got a nice print of USA with the eagle right there. This should be good with the upcoming Jordan Billie Eilish. Just do it. This one's not bad as well. Nice printing of Nike Air. $9.97. Orange with Nike. Plain Nike. I like this one. Comes with the Just Do It printed all over the shirt. $9.97. Well, I like the simplicity of this hoodie. Retail is $45. They're selling for $39. This is clean. Kind of cream white. Yeah. I'll wait out. Nice printing on this Jordan, but it comes with Atlanta. That one is Chicago. Here we got Nike Monarch here. Another Monarch. Nike React Element. $89. It comes with a different colorway, the triple black with a gray midsole, same $89. Air Maxes are still here. The Air Max 2017 price still on $129, same price with the triple black, but they got more expensive on the platinum, but I'm just gonna wait out. Call this going down to probably $99. What else? But still the same. LeBron Witness, $74.99. This one is clean though. Nike Court Royal AC. Well, what do you think on this one? I guess I'm gonna pick up more of the KD13 promo because I already sold some of my pickup last week, and I'm not gonna pick up the bigger sizes, like also some 12.5, probably size 13. Well, anything down here is not much going on, and as you can see, not too much in stock on the store. Nike Fly Mid, $49. They got the KD35 for $69. Some LeBron Soldier for $99. This should be good price though for personal. And they have a different colorway. This one comes with a little bit more blackish on the upper. $99 as well on LeBron Soldier Fly Trap 3, $49.99. We got a full size run and a different colorway with the black and green or both. Swoosh, $49 as well. Okay, we got our bag. So what we're gonna pick it up? We're gonna pick up the KD13 promo, $69.97. Well, they got a bunch of sizes of the KD13 University Red. They're pricing on $89.97. We got some Lebron Low, $79.97. Kyrie 6 TV promo, $79.97. More on Lebron Lows. We got some sunset colorway of the Nike Air Max 2090. And how much? $99.99. And this one? Yeah. We got another Lebron. They are $139. Another KD13 with red colorway. It's on $89.97. Here in the bigger sizes, 13 and up. Not much going on as well. Oh, we got a bunch of Lebron in grade school. And this one is in $49.97. I'm not gonna pick one of this. Okay, that one. Alright, all good. This one gonna pick it up.
It's printing. You know this receipt?
Alright, so we're done on the Nike outlet. Not too much today. It's almost just the same last week. We got two pairs, but let me share you. The shirt is mostly printed of Just Do It all around of the shirt. It is the only size they have. It is size XL. And then we got another pair. Last time we picked up another pair of this one, Lebron grade school, which is in $49.97. And then we have the additional discount. Here we go. The other one that I bought last week, I'm gonna give it to my nephew. So this one is just for resale. So I picked them up because they're actually ringing up for $79.97, and they are market down to $49.97, and then minus additional, so minus the discount, 15% off discount. KD13 promo, Team Red. And also pick up another size 12 and a half. I sold some of it already last week, couple days ago, probably 2 pairs or 1 pair. But lately I just figured out that some of size 12 men's are picking up the size 12 and a half, especially on one of this kind of shoe, because the shoe is kind of narrow. So they are going, if they are size 12, they're going up for size 12 and a half, or probably size 13. So, and also there is a limited stocks on 12 and a half. So that is the target, and that is what we got on the Nike outlet for today.